Load your family into the 2020 Jeep Wrangler. Jeep prioritized comfort and style by including a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rearview mirror, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, skid plates, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.